What if humans never needed sleep? Sounds like a superpower, right? No more wasting 8 hours a day, and that's nearly 25 years of your life gone in sleep. You could work non-stop and learn faster. Build more. Stay ahead of everyone. But here's the truth: sleep is not optional. In real experiments, humans deprived of sleep for just 24 hours show reduced focus, slower reaction time, and poor decision-making, similar to being drunk. After 48 hours, your brain starts glitching and memory starts weakens. Emotions become unstable. You struggle to think clearly. And after 72 hours some people begin to hallucinate. They see things that aren't real because your brain is literally breaking down without rest. Why? Because sleep is when your brain cleans itself. There's something called the glymphatic system. It removes toxic waste from your brain while you sleep. Without it, toxins build up. Over time, this is linked to serious conditions like Alzheimer's, and it gets worse. Your body repairs muscles during sleep and your immune system strengthens while you rest. Hormones that control stress and growth depend on sleep cycles. Without sleep your body can't recover and your health collapses slowly. In fact, there's a rare condition called fatal familial insomnia. People with it literally lose the ability to sleep, and it always ends in death. So yeah, living without sleep sounds powerful, but science says the opposite. Sleep isn't wasting time, it's the most important system keeping your brain alive and your body functioning. Without it, you don't become superhuman, you stop being human.